Yay.
Okay, y'all, I just made this drink called the Fort Collins, and I have Mr. here with me. He is a what were you? A bartender, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Back in the day for many, many years, and so he's gonna test these and let me know what you think.
We'll see if it's good or not.
And I just want to point out, like, when I looked this up and the online photos, it was very brown, like more like a whiskey brown. But when I made it, it's like fuchsia. So I don't know exactly why it came out like that. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Could you please be quiet? Thank you. Thank you. Rowdy people in the background. Okay, go for it. Oh, it's very sweet.
Yeah, very sweet. Has a tang to it.
I like the fizz too. Ooh.
Needs more whiskey.
I agree. I don't like whiskey, but maybe, because it does have equal parts of whiskey plus the port and lemon juice. So maybe you could drink a lot of these and get drunk really fast because you're thinking, oh, it's nothing. And you're just sipping and sipping and give me another one. So I think that would be very easy to do. It said this drink is good with dry nuts and chocolate.
I'm trying. Can't stand cashews.
Don't hate on the nuts.
I'm gonna try this Twix cookie bar. Little bite size. If I can get it open.
Any excuse to snack on nuts and chocolate works for me. Overall, on the drink, would you have this again? Would you try it, or you're like, nah, too sweet?
I would try it again, but just make it a little bit less sweeter.
So maybe another shot of whiskey.
It tastes better with the chocolate. Gotta get the Twix.
Leftover Halloween candies. Put them to good use. It's really good. I like this drink. I'll be sipping on this for the rest of the night.